Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me an opportunity to present my paper titled Determinant Analysis to Predict Financial Distress of Small Medium Entities in Malang City. My presentation will follow the following step. First, the background, objective of the research, methodology, research findings, and conclusion. Financial distress is related to a condition in which a company experiences negative net income for several years. Financial distress occurs because the company is unable to manage and maintain the stability of the company's financial performance. It could be due to poor business planning, cash flow problems, bad capital structure, and uncontrollable debt, so that the potential for inability to pay debt is even greater. Therefore, various ways are needed to prevent a company from being trapped in financial distress, one of which is making early prediction of financial distress in a company. By knowing the condition of financial distress, it is hoped that the company can take action to anticipate conditions that lead to a bankruptcy to as early as possible. There are many kind of methods that can be used to predict financial distress, but in this research, we use the Alman Z-scores method in order to improve company performance and be able to pass through financial distress with caution. Research objective is creating model of financial distress and testing the model to predict financial distress of micro, small business enterprises in Malang. The next steps will be create accounting application software where the company can predict automatically using an application software. Then finally, we will disseminate research findings. The methodology we use in this research, we adopted a quantitative research design followed by an applied research, which is developing software to predict financial distress. The population that we used in this research are micro, small business enterprises. Samples that we used are selected from member of Malang Chamber of Commerce, and we take about 50 micro, small, and business enterprises. We start from literature reviews related to financial distress, and we use diagnostic step, which is we look at the financial performance of the company. We select according to the performance of the financial. And then the next step will be developing accounting software. Then the last will be evaluation and dissemination. The research findings shows that the model Z-score is minus 4.849785 minus 0.770748x1. X1 represent ratio of current asset divided by current debt, and plus 1.651 0.95 to X2. X2 is the ratio of total debt and total assets, minus 53.04795 X3. X3 represent ratio of net income divided by total asset, which is indicate profitability of the company. In the model shows that liquidity expressed by current ratio significantly influence financial distress. The second, leverage expressed by debt to asset ratio does not significantly influence financial distress. The last one, profitability expressed by return on asset has a significant effect on financial distress. Using that model, then we test to the financial performance of the small, medium enterprises in Malang. And it shows that as much as 47% of micro and small enterprises in Malang are in the gray area category, while 36% are in distress zone category, and the rest, which is 17%, are in the non-distress zone. In the conclusion, then we can conclude that the company's debt policy involving investment in current asset must be carefully calculated so that there are no overinvestment, which in turn will increase the cost incurred for the procurement and maintenance of this asset, thereby impacting in profitability. Micro and small and medium enterprises in Malang requires better management of its working capital. That's all my presentation. Thank you for giving me opportunity to present the findings of our research. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.